What's up guys, Odyssey Cubing here, and today I'll be going over my mains and goals for Music City Speedsolving 2018. So to be quite honest, I haven't really found the time to practice that much with school having started, so I'm not really hoping for that much regarding this competition besides a good time. So we'll just go ahead and get started with 2x2. This is the Whoosh and white 2x2. Before school started, I definitely started practicing this event more. I set it up with some practices and it was really good. So I'll definitely be hoping for a PB average and hopefully a sub 4 average. For 3x3, this is the Volk 3M that I magnetized myself. I'll be hoping for a few sub 11.5 averages and another sub 10 single. For 4x4, this is the Chi Wuchue. Even when I did find the time to practice, I didn't really practice 4x4 that much, so I pretty much don't have any goals for this event. Maybe a good single would be nice. For 5x5, this is the Whoosh M that I magnetized myself. I'm pretty content with all of my goals for 4x4, so I won't really be hoping for anything much here either. I'll just say a sub 130 single, get another one of those, and a sub 145 average maybe. And last but certainly not least, we have clock. This is the event that I probably have the highest expectations for. This is a Lingao clock. I'm hoping to podium. Right now I'm seeded 5th. And the third seed being an 8.22 average, I believe. So someone may have to DNF average for me to slip in there, but I average around mid 8, so if I get a good average, this may not be that much of a problem. I'm also, if I can't podium, I'm also hoping to get a PB average and renew my state record. So I'll be hoping for a sub 9 average and a sub 8 single. So that's about it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a like, comment down below what video you want to see next, and hit the subscribe button for some more awesome content like this. This is Odyssey Cubing signing off, and as always guys, happy cubing.